future reflected in your eyes. And I'm thankful each day for that twist in my fate, for the moment you walked through that gate.